In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your website to Hostinger in 2025, making it live and accessible to the world. This process is straightforward, and you'll be guided every step of the way to ensure your website is perfectly set up and running on time. First, open up your web browser and go directly to the Hostinger website. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard, which is the control center for everything you'll need regarding your web hosting services. Now, on the left-hand side of the Hostinger dashboard, you'll see a navigation panel. Click on the Websites tab. This section allows you to manage all the websites you host on your account, making it a crucial part of setting up your online presence. Here you'll have access to several management tools tailored to enhance your website's performance and security. Once you've accessed your list of websites, the next step involves identifying the specific site you want to edit or update. Find your website on the list and click on Edit Website. This will propel you into the website builder or the management interface on Hostinger, where you can make all the necessary customizations to your site. It's a very user-friendly platform designed to make your editing process smooth and hassle-free. With the website editor now open, you'll need to connect your domain, which is a crucial step in ensuring that when someone types your domain name into their browser, they end up on your site. Locate the Connect Your Domain Here button or section. Click through to begin the process of linking your registered domain with the site you've just edited. Hostinger makes this step quite intuitive, with easy-to-follow prompts guiding you through the necessary DNS settings. Once your domain is successfully connected, the final step in this process is to ensure your updates and changes are published live. To do this, click on Update Website. This action pushes all the edits you've made live to the internet, deploying your content for the world to see. It's important to make sure all content is accurate and reflects the image you want to present before hitting this button, as this is what visitors will experience when they visit your site. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your website to Hostinger. Remember, this platform offers extensive support and resources should you need any further assistance after setting up. By following these steps, you now have a live website proudly showcased on the web, bringing your ideas, products, or services